Hi everyone, I've got something different today. I've done a Temu haul, so I'm going to show you what I've got. So it's holiday season coming up too, so some of this stuff is nice to take on holiday with you. And firstly, I have got these. I don't understand the holes in the bottom of them, but they are spongy, really spongy. But yeah, I don't really expect a lot for a few pounds. So right, next item is so when we go on holiday in the caravan, when we stay in a caravan, I like to put a line outside to put my washing on or dry towels on. So I thought, get this. So it's basically a line, like a bungee, like that. Hooks on both ends. Comes with a few pegs as well, which is ideal, and a little bag to keep it in. When you're getting things like this for a few pounds, it's okay. So what else have I got? Now we holiday in the UK, but these are for either really. Can get into it. I can get into it. Right, so these are little bottles to put your shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, other bits and bats in. But it's nice because they're all different colours. So we've got different colours, and got the hole in the top, so you're not having to screw it off and just shake it out. What else did I get? So this is quite ideal, is this? So it's a cold flat. Well, not flat, but hey, drinks bottle. It's rubber, but it's a drinks bottle, so you can keep it with you. And then, squish it back down, put it in your bag. What else did we do? This is a bit of something to do with cleaning. So I saw this and I thought, oh, let's have a go. So it's a mini squeegee to clean your sides. You can do windows with it as well, I suppose. So and then these little sponges. So clips on to there, like so, like so, she says. And that side like that. And it's just basically, if I can get it together, if I can get it on, Right, that's one side on. And that's the other side on. So just basically like the squeegee mops that you use in the kitchen. Obviously if it stays on, and then you've got a little handle there, you pull it in to squeeze it out, and then you push it back out, and away you go if it stays on. So put that there. Now then, this is a picnic blanket. There's a handle to carry it about. Obviously I'm not going to roll it all the way out, but it is a bit thin, but it's wipeable, which is good. So if you're taking it somewhere and you've dropped ice cream on it or drinks on it or anything like that, you can just wipe it off, which is good. Right, are you going to come and model this for me?
What?
This. It's an eye mask.
Yeah.
Got a model.
Hey.
So, obviously this is okay. Wait a minute. This is obviously okay. So if you're going abroad or something like that, or you put it on and sleep on the plane or whatever. So take your glasses off then.
Oh.
So
I can't see.
right, you're gonna show.
See that?
There we go. There's a model for us.
It's a bit tight though.
Yeah, well, it's got right. So it has got things on the back on the strap to alter the strapping. So whether you've got a small head or a big head.
It's a bit tight.
Then we have also got this,
Look.
which is a
What is it?
oh, it's a pack of two. I didn't realise it was a pack of two.
What's it?
So
Is it?
it's a pillow. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Don't mind that, guys.
Yeah, well,
Just our dog.
just ignore him.
Our dog is very, very loud.
So the pillows,
you might need
blow
to
it up.
blow it up though.
I'm not blowing it up.
I will.
You blow it up then, right? He's gonna blow it up. But yeah, so they're like a felt on one side, and
What?
obviously. What?
Didn't work.
Yeah, so that's them. You've not got enough puff in that, have you? Right. And then lastly, these, I buy these all the time for when we go on holiday, because you can put your towels in them, you can put your sheets in them, everything in them, massive bags. And this is like a pack of two as well. But it's ideal. So, there's two in this. There's a red one and a blue one. Oh, it's a pack of three. Oh, it's got three in it. But they're quite big.
Pack of three, I thought you said it was two.
Animals on them. Zip on them. But yeah,
Good.
and I didn't realise there were a pack of three.
I thought it was only two.
Oh, we've got it blown up, everyone. Yeah,
It
then
can fly.
let's have it then. There we
That's
go.
it, and it looks actually good. Now let me try it.
So yeah, so they're all the little bits that I got from
Ooh, that's
Temu
nice.
anyway.
That's very nice.
I thought
That's very nice.
because obviously we're going unhealthy soon, so we need stuff like this with us anyway. But I always get shouted at for it because he's like, oh, what you need that for? But anyway. So, if you like this sort of thing and you like to see me do more of these, then put comments in below. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Bye for now.